Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to get application to transfer data. So enter for the Play Store and type send anywhere. We will use this application. Let's install. Let's open. And we have to accept all the permissions that pops on our screen. It will happen on both devices. And as you can see, we are in this app, so we can send photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, and other files. It's important to move to the receive in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, and then on the Android phone, open this app. And right now we have to select files that we want to send. So I will take, for example, these two photos. It's only example. If you want to take videos, audio, or any other things, you have to go right here and then just select that. Click send. And right now we have to input this key right here. So let's do this. Click receive. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So right now when we open File Manager, we're able to find this files right here in the Send Anywhere folder. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!